Welcome, my name is Bruna, and today I'll be talking about bar graphs. So a bar graph is a visual tool that uses bars to compare data among different classes. A graph might run vertically or horizontally. The longest bar is usually the one with greater value. These graphs contain two axes. It is used to demonstrate data in a similar way that line graphs do. The goal is to show the relationship between the two axes. For a bar graph, here are some steps to start. Decide on a title. Draw horizontal and vertical axis. Label both axes. Decide on a scale. Explain the least and greatest numbers shown on the graph. Discuss the range of numbers that should be shown. For example, begin at 0 and count by tens until you reach to 50. And the final one is draw a graph to show the total. Example 1. For me, I like to create a table so I'm not lost when creating my graph. The table that I created is favorite fruit and the number of people who voted. So on my left side, which is the favorite fruit, I have peach, apple, banana, pear, and a watermelon. To my right side, the number of people who voted, I have 8 people that voted for peach, 22 that voted for apple, 12 that voted for banana, 4 that voted for pear, and 30 that voted for a watermelon. So now with the table, here is my bar graph. I first titled it fruit. To my left side is number of people who voted, and the numbers from the range starts by 3 until 45. At the bottom, it's called favorite fruit, and I have my peach, apple, banana, pear, and watermelon. And as you can see, the pear is the smallest one with 3 people who voted, and the watermelon is the greatest one with 30 people that voted. Example number 2. To my left side is types of school supplies that are usually essential to students during the school year. I have a notebook, pen, eraser, ruler, and a pencil. To my right side is the students that voted of how many use these supplies. 10 voted that they use notebook, 7 voted that they use a pen, 3 voted that they use an eraser, 1 voted that they use a ruler, and 5 voted that they use a pencil. On to the second example, my bar graph is titled supplies. I drew the horizontal and vertical axis, and I labeled both of them. To my vertical, I titled it number of supplies, and I started from 1 until 10. On my horizontal, I labeled it types of supplies, and it's shown the notebook, pen, eraser, ruler, and pencil. As you can see, the ruler is the smallest one with just 1 vote, and the notebook is the greatest one with 10 votes. If you want more information, you can go to khanacademy.org, search bar graphs, and you will get more information. It gives you many examples and videos on how to start your bar graph if you have never done one before. And it also helps you read bar graphs and interpret them.